The writing situation. Most of us think that writing is about creating a document, and it is, but that's an overly simplistic view of writing that makes us miss the main point. Writing is about taking an idea that's in your head and putting it in someone else's head. If you're able to transfer your idea to someone else, your writing has succeeded. If you do not transfer your idea to someone else, your writing needs improvement. So let's add the reader to our schema. Writer, document, reader. Now you can see that the document isn't an end point, but rather the go-between. It is an intermediary in the communication situation. But the document itself is more complex than that. You could talk about the document in terms of what it is. Is it an essay? Is it a story? Is it a poem? Is it an editorial? What is it? You can also talk about the document in terms of what it is about. What's the topic? As well as what is it trying to do? What is it trying to accomplish? Its purpose. So let's picture our document to show that complexity. First, we have a message that has two parts. What it is about, which is the topic, and why it exists, which is the purpose. And then that message has to go through a medium, whether it be a text message, a memorandum, an email, a speech, or some other form. So now our schema has a sender, a message with a topic and a purpose, a medium, a receiver, but there's one other part that's missing, the larger context. You see, when you are trying to transfer an idea from your head into someone else's head, what you want to happen is a change in the world. At the very least, you want the person to understand what you understand. But you also might want the person to take action. You might want the person to give information, provide permission, connect you with other people, help you with a project, or take some other action. That's the context. Context refers to what came before the message and what you hope will come after the message. Whenever you are writing something, ask yourself, what will success look like for this message? When this goes out in the world, what change do I want to have happen? If what you write brings about the change that you wish, then you are really successful. So whenever you approach a writing task, think of sender, message, medium, receiver, and context. It's slightly more complicated than just you producing a document. But by understanding each component of the communication situation, you will produce much more on-target and effective writing.